Harmonic Design Audio Bar and Video Bar are premium sound systems for multimedia applications and lectures. The uncompromising use of the latest pro audio technology with FIR filters ensures a linear sound reproduction with excellent speech intelligibility and combines complex multimedia components in an easy-to-operate device. With the HD Audio Bar and HD Video Bar, you can create a pleasant collaboration environment for a respectful and appreciative encounter between colleagues and business partners without any technical effort. The HD Audio Bar combines loudspeakers, amplifiers, signal processor, mixer, microphones and wireless audio technology in one device. The HD Video Bar is equipped with the same features and enables easy integration of the award-winning Hugli IQ camera. It offers an incomparable video meeting experience with 150 degrees wide-angle optics and groundbreaking AI functions for automated zoom. Installation is simple from the back via plug and play. Together with a screen and computer, they form a full-fledged collaboration system and make additional components and their complex cabling superfluous. The HD Audio Bar and the HD Video Bar unify the conference room equipment and are designed for a wide range of requirements and room scenarios from 2 to 30 people. This unification saves a lot of installation effort and costs. With a well-equipped connection panel, you are ideally suited for a wide range of scenarios such as a stereo line input to firmly connect the TV sound to the soundbar for a durable and error-free connection. 2 mono microphone line inputs to connect your wireless microphone receivers to the soundbar and use them for speech reinforcement in your room. The optionally available wireless audio interface allows music to be streamed from any mobile device. For easy on-site setup, we've equipped the soundbars with our Easy Tuning feature. At the touch of a button, you can call up 4 sound presets that adjust the soundbar's sound reproduction to typical room sizes. Here you can see the target response curve for small rooms, large rooms, optimized intelligibility for video conferences or rooms with high attenuation. Using wireless microphones in a presentation or lecture requires several expensive external devices such as a mixing console, a DSP and a dynamics processor. With the HD Audio and Video Bar, additional devices become unnecessary and the use of wireless headsets and handheld microphones becomes a breeze thanks to the HD Easy Mic Setup function. At the touch of a button, the correct setting can be recalled for 2 handheld microphones, 2 headsets or, for typical Q&A sessions, a combination of 1 handheld microphone and 1 headset simultaneously. A volume control on the recessed connector panel allows easy adjustment of the microphone level by authorized personnel. Unlike normal soundbars with 2 full-range speakers in a stereo arrangement, the HD Audio and Video Bar consists of a remarkable total of 9 speakers and subwoofers. For even more precise reproduction of the entire spectrum, specialized speakers are used to reproduce bass, mid-range and treble. Dual concentric technology places the tweeter on the same axis as the mid-bass driver. Only in this way is the sound energy radiated evenly and in a controlled manner in the horizontal and vertical planes, resulting in exceptional sound quality even outside the center axis. This allows you to enjoy the full spectrum of sound throughout the room. The symmetrical radiation makes the positioning of the HD Audio Bar and HD Video Bar easier and reaches more listeners. Whether placed above or below the screen, every single nuance is understood. A soundbar must not only convince with speech intelligibility, but also provide goosebumps with videos and music in a modern room setup. The HD Audio and Video Bar shines with exceptional bass reproduction, thanks to the 5 dedicated subwoofers. Unlike conventional soundbars with only full-range speakers, the subwoofer array provides an extended linear frequency response below 45 Hz, as well as a controlled and deeper bass. Let's take a closer look at the integrated signal processing and electronics. A digital multi-channel signal processor based on our HD Pro DSP platform is at the heart of the system. It manages all inputs and outputs using state-of-the-art algorithms for sound optimization and is also equipped with highly efficient 300 watts RMS power amplifiers. After the input signal is converted to the digital domain, the audio signal is passed to the amplifier stages without further signal conversion, ensuring lossless audio quality. As with all Harmonic design speaker systems, we use FIR filter technology to achieve the perfect sound experience. FIR filter technology, which until now has only been used in the very best high-performance sound systems, allows for frequency and phase-independent sound optimization. The integration of this technology in a soundbar is so far unique. A linear transmission behavior with excellent speech intelligibility even during video conferences or presentations is thus made possible. Feedback and a blurred sound with missing consonants and clarity are a thing of the past. Maximum operational safety is ensured using latest protection circuits and limiters for a reliable operation, 24/7. Seamless integration with interior design is made possible by Harmonic Design's custom length manufacturing. All column speakers can be manufactured with custom length, color and finish. And all this already from a quantity of 1. Integrator-friendly mounting accessories ensure quick and easy installation. Such as using the HDTV mount, the soundbar can be fixed between the VESA mount and the screen. With the height and depth adjustable mount, the soundbar can be aligned to fit the screen seamlessly. Alternatively, all common wall mounts can be attached to the continuous T-slot on the back. At Harmonic Design, no compromises are made when it comes to research and development, manufacturing quality and customer service. As an owner-managed German company, we have been living our passion for high-quality loudspeaker and amplifier technology every day for over 40 years, working with great attention to detail on innovative solutions for sound reinforcement applications so that our pro audio DNA is embodied in every product. We have remained true to this ambition with continuously growing highly satisfied long-term customers across the globe. Contact us now and make an appointment at your local Harmonic Design dealer for a presentation.